Hair spa is a type of therapy for the scalp and hair. During a hair spa, different nutritious oils are used to massage the scalp and enrich the scalp with nutrients to make hair healthy, strong, and soft. Since a part of hair spa involves massaging, it is a method used to improve blood circulation in your scalp so as to nourish the roots of your hair. Now I am going to tell you some benefits of hair spa, like it's moisturizing hair, strengthens hair root, increases blood circulation, normalize the secretion of oil on your scalp, get rid of dandruff, it helps to remove the effects of pollution, reduces stress and improve health, get rid of dry, damaged and frizzy hair. There are some drawbacks of hair spa, like it has to be done regularly, it fades hair color, it takes time, and hair spa alone isn't enough. Now I am going to share with you the simple steps of doing a hair spa at home. Start with an oil massage. An oil massage will nourish the hair and stimulate the blood flow to the scalp. Chosen between olive oil, almond oil or coconut oil. A good steam will let the nutrients sink into the hair cuticles. You can use a steamer easily available in the market or a towel dipped in of hot water. For the latter, squeeze off the excess water and wrap it around your head. You can either apply a branded hair mask or make your own natural variety. Leave it on for half an hour before washing it off with shampoo. Use a sulfate-free or a gentle-free shampoo to cleanse your hair. You might have to rinse twice to remove the oil. Hair masks are an important part of the process. In case you are doing your own hair spa at home, try 5 amazing natural hair masks. Blend 1 large onion till it becomes a smooth paste and apply it on your hair roots to tips. Make the paste rest for about an hour and then wash off with a mild shampoo. Apply the paste once a week to see the results. This natural remedy for dandruff works wonders. Onion has antimicrobial properties that help flush out toxins and improve blood circulations. Mash 2 bananas into a smooth paste. Add honey, lemon and olive oil and mix thoroughly. Apply on your hair and let it rest for 30 minutes. Wash it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. Also make sure that there are no lumps in the banana paste, otherwise it won't come out while washing. This mask works best if along with dandruff you have dry and dull hair. The banana acts like a natural moisturizer, while lemon juice deals with the dandruff. This will help reduce your dandruff until ultimately removing it fully. What you need is, for dry hair, 2 egg yolks. For oily hair, 2 egg whites. For normal hair, 1 whole egg. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup yogurt and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix the egg yolk, egg white or full egg with the other ingredients and apply the paste on your hair, straightening from roots to tips. Let the paste rest for about 20 minutes and wash off with a mild shampoo. Use cool water as hot water will cook the egg. This mask is one of those natural remedies for dandruff that never gets old. The egg will help nourish the scalp and the yogurt will remove the dandruff, leaving you feeling awesome. What you need is 4 tablespoons fenugreek seeds or methi seeds. Soak the seeds overnight and make a paste with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply the paste through the length of your hair and let it rest for a good half an hour. Wash it off with cold water and a mild shampoo. Easily available in every Indian home, fenugreek is an antifungal seed that will remove dandruff from hair and reduce white flakes and irritation. What you need: half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey. Mix the 3 ingredients together to form a thick paste. Apply the mask on your hair, roots to tips, and leave it to rest for a good half an hour. Wash it off with cold water and a mild shampoo. When wondering how to remove dandruff at home, we can always find magic ingredients in our kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Pick your favorite mask and do the spa regime twice a month. A hair spa for dandruff will not only will remove it, but also nourish your hair by locking in the essential nutrients. Excessive dandruff does not go off completely in just one hair spa. So don't lose hope and repeat these treatments for dandruff over a couple of months to see the marked a change and dandruffy hair. Don'ts after a hair spa treatment. Avoid using tools that produce too much heat. Avoid tying up your hair too tightly. Wear a hat to protect it from UV damage and other environmental aggressors. Use products that are suited to address your unique hair concern. How long does a hair spa treatment effect last for? This depends on the products used. A hair spa treatment effectively lasts for about 15 to 30 days if you follow the don'ts mentioned before and have a good hair care regime. How many times a month should you get a hair spa done? If you travel regularly, getting a hair spa treatment done 2-3 times a month is recommended. Ideally, every 15 days is recommended. However, if you find it out of budget, once a month should also prove to be effective in the long run. When can you wash your hair after a hair spa? Your first wash depends on the treatment you have undergone. Talk to your hair spa professional on when you can wash your hair next post treatment. Ideally, you shouldn't wash for 3-5 days at least. At what age can you get a hair spa done? There is no age limit to get a hair spa done. Just make sure the products used are not too harsh for your scalp and hair. Talk to your hair spa professional about whether you can get it done if you are too young. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed it by watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye beauties.